Hello, and welcome to our video on the top 6 ways to bring blood sugar down quickly. Today, we've got a crucial topic for anyone with diabetes. Whether you're experiencing an unexpected spike or just looking for ways to manage your levels more effectively, this video is for you. We're counting down the top 6 methods to lower blood sugar, from helpful everyday tips to the most powerful strategies out there. Each of these methods plays a key role in diabetes management, and understanding how to use them can make all the difference in maintaining your health and well-being. If you're tuning in for the first time, we're all about sharing practical and life-changing health tips, especially for those navigating the challenges of managing diabetes. So, if that resonates with you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. Remember, while we're providing these tips, it's always important to consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice, especially when it comes to managing your blood sugar levels. So, are you ready to dive in and learn how to take control of your blood sugar? Let's get started with our countdown. Kicking off at number 6 in our countdown is something that might catch some of you by surprise: stress management. It turns out, stress has a more significant impact on our bodies than many of us realize, especially when it comes to blood sugar levels. You see, when we're stressed, our bodies go into a sort of fight or flight mode, releasing hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. These hormones are great for giving us a quick burst of energy in emergencies, but there's a catch. They also cause our blood sugar levels to rise. Now, why does this happen? Well, cortisol and adrenaline increase glucose, sugar, in your bloodstream to prepare your body for that immediate response. It's part of our natural survival mechanism. But in our modern life, where stress is often not about physical danger, this response can work against us, especially if you're managing diabetes. The good news is that there are effective ways to combat this stress-induced spike in blood sugar. Techniques like deep breathing, meditation, and gentle yoga have been shown to reduce stress levels significantly. A study published in Diabetes Care even found that mindfulness-based stress reduction, which includes practices like meditation, can lower blood glucose levels. This shows that these relaxation techniques aren't just for your mental health. They have tangible benefits for your physical health, particularly for blood sugar control. And sometimes it's as simple as taking a step back. Just removing yourself from a stressful situation, even if it's just for a few minutes of calm, can help lower those stress hormone levels. Managing stress effectively is a crucial yet often overlooked component of diabetes management. It's not just about feeling better mentally, it's about actively taking control of your physical health and blood sugar levels. At number 5 in our countdown is a strategy that might be a game changer for many: incorporating protein-rich foods into your diet. Now, we often hear a lot about carbohydrates when it comes to diabetes, but let's shine a spotlight on protein. Unlike carbs, proteins don't lead to those sudden spikes in your blood sugar levels. They're more like a steady source of energy that your body can rely on without causing a glucose roller coaster. Here's how it works. When you include protein in your meals, it helps stabilize your blood sugar by slowing down the digestion process. This, in turn, slows down the absorption of glucose into your bloodstream. It's kind of like putting speed bumps on a road. It prevents the rapid rush of sugar into your system. So, what are some good sources of protein? Lean meats like chicken or fish are great options. They're not only rich in protein, but also low in unhealthy fats, making them a double win for blood sugar management. Then, there are plant-based proteins like beans, tofu, and nuts. These are particularly beneficial because, in addition to protein, they also offer fiber, another blood sugar-friendly nutrient. Incorporating these protein-rich foods into your meals can be quite simple. For example, adding some grilled chicken to your salad, snacking on a handful of nuts, or using beans as a base for a hearty stew. These small dietary tweaks can make a significant difference in managing your blood sugar levels. Remember, while carbs often get the spotlight in diabetes management, protein deserves its share of attention too. It's all about creating a balanced diet that supports your blood sugar goals, and protein-rich foods are a key part of that balance. Moving to number 4, we're focusing on a group of foods that can be incredibly beneficial for those managing diabetes: high-fiber foods. It's no secret in the nutrition world that dietary fiber is a superstar for blood sugar control. The reason behind this is pretty interesting and has everything to do with how your body handles carbs. When you eat foods that are rich in fiber, like vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, they have a sort of buffering effect on carbohydrate digestion and sugar absorption. One significant study, published in the journal Annals of Internal Medicine, found that increasing dietary fiber intake, especially from whole grains, can significantly improve blood sugar control in individuals with type 2 diabetes. So, why does fiber have such a positive impact on blood sugar levels? It's all about the mechanics of digestion. Fiber, particularly the soluble type found in many vegetables, legumes, and whole grains, slows down the breakdown of carbohydrates and the absorption of sugar. This process helps to prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar and insulin levels after meals. Essentially, fiber acts like a speed bump, slowing down the body's sugar absorption rate. What makes this finding exciting is the practicality of incorporating high-fiber foods into your diet. Vegetables, for instance, are not just high in fiber, but also full of essential nutrients. Whole grains like oats and barley provide a satisfying and heart-healthy base for many meals. Legumes, including beans and lentils, are not only rich in fiber, but also serve as excellent plant-based protein sources. Adopting a diet with a higher fiber content isn't just beneficial for blood sugar control, it's also great for overall health. This approach aligns well with the dietary recommendations for diabetes management, which emphasize the importance of whole foods over processed options. By making simple swaps in your diet, such as choosing brown rice over white rice or opting for whole grain bread instead of white bread, you can significantly enhance your fiber intake and, in turn, better manage your diabetes, maintain a healthy gut, and reduce the risk of heart disease. At number 3, we're focusing on something that's a key part of many diabetics' management plan: insulin. Now, insulin is a hormone that plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels. For those with diabetes, particularly type 1 diabetes or advanced type 2 diabetes, taking insulin is often a necessary part of daily life. When it comes to bringing down high blood sugar quickly, a quick-acting dose of insulin can be one of the most direct and effective methods. Here's the important part though. Using insulin to lower blood sugar needs to be done with care and under strict medical guidance. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution. The amount of insulin needed can vary greatly from person to person and even from day to day, depending on factors like diet, activity level, and overall health. So, how does one navigate this? The key is to work closely with your healthcare provider to understand your specific insulin needs. This might involve regular blood sugar monitoring and learning how to adjust your insulin dosage in response to your blood sugar readings. Using insulin effectively requires balance. Too little and your blood sugar stays high, too much and you risk hypoglycemia or low blood sugar, which can be dangerous. That's why understanding how to use insulin properly is so crucial. It's not just about bringing down high blood sugar, it's about maintaining a stable and healthy blood sugar level throughout the day. As we approach the top of our list, coming in at number 2 is something refreshingly simple yet incredibly effective: hydration, particularly with water. Staying well hydrated is a cornerstone of good health for everyone, but it holds particular significance for those managing diabetes. Water, pure and calorie-free, is perhaps the ideal drink for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Let's dive into why water is so crucial for diabetics. Unlike other beverages that might contain sugars or carbohydrates, water is neutral. It doesn't raise your blood sugar levels. In fact, it plays a vital role in helping your body regulate blood sugar. When you're well hydrated, your kidneys can more effectively flush out the excess sugar through urine. This is especially important for diabetics, as high blood sugar levels can lead to increased urine production. Staying hydrated helps to balance this out. A study published in the journal Diabetes Care found a strong association between adequate hydration and a lower risk of developing high blood sugar levels, hyperglycemia. The study suggests that proper hydration may influence glucose regulation and insulin sensitivity. Essentially, staying well hydrated helps the body to manage blood sugar levels more effectively. Another research piece featured in the European Journal of Nutrition highlighted the role of water in reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The study indicated that replacing sugar-sweetened beverages with water could lead to significant metabolic benefits and reduce the risk of diabetes. These studies underscore the importance of choosing water over sugary or high-calorie drinks and maintaining good hydration as part of a comprehensive approach to diabetes management. While water intake alone is not a cure-all for diabetes, it plays a critical role in a balanced diabetes management plan, aiding in bodily functions and potentially improving glucose regulation and insulin sensitivity. The good news is that keeping up with your hydration is pretty straightforward. Carrying a water bottle throughout the day can serve as a constant reminder to drink. If you find plain water a bit too bland, adding a slice of lemon or cucumber can add some flavor without adding sugar. And now, at the pinnacle of our list, number 1, the most effective method for quickly lowering blood sugar: exercise. For anyone managing diabetes, exercise isn't just about staying fit or losing weight. It's a direct and powerful tool in blood sugar management. The reason why exercise sits at the top of our list is quite fascinating, and all comes down to how your body uses energy. When you engage in physical activity, your muscles need energy, and they get it by using up glucose, which is the sugar in your blood. It's like your muscles are dipping into your blood sugar reserves to power through the activity. This process naturally brings down your blood sugar levels. In fact, the effect of exercise on blood sugar can be so significant that the American Diabetes Association recommends regular physical activity as a key part of managing diabetes. But what kind of exercise should you do? Great news! You don't necessarily need to run marathons or lift heavy weights unless you enjoy that. Moderate, consistent activities like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming are excellent choices. These activities get your heart rate up and your muscles working, using up that glucose in your blood. However, there's a crucial tip to remember. Always monitor your blood sugar levels before and after exercising. This is especially important if you're taking insulin or other medications that can lower your blood sugar. Exercise can sometimes lower blood sugar too much, leading to hyperglycemia, which can be dangerous. By monitoring your levels, you can ensure they stay within a safe range, and you might need to adjust your food intake or medication accordingly. And there you have it. Our comprehensive guide to the top 6 ways to quickly lower blood sugar. Each of these methods offers a valuable tool in your diabetes management toolkit, helping you to control your blood sugar levels more effectively. It's important to remember that managing diabetes successfully isn't about a single solution. It's about combining these strategies into a balanced, holistic approach to your health. Also, keep in mind that every individual's experience with diabetes is unique. Consulting with your healthcare provider is a vital step in this process. They can help fine-tune these methods to ensure they work effectively for your unique situation, ensuring you manage your diabetes in the most efficient way possible. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in providing you with practical tips to manage your blood sugar. If you've enjoyed it and found it useful, please give us a thumbs up, share it with friends and family who might benefit from this information, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and guides. Your experiences and strategies are valuable to us and our community, so please share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, taking control of your diabetes is within your reach. Stay informed, stay empowered, and see you in the next video.